The Lost Kitten. Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a little girl named Lily. She was 8 years old and loved animals. One sunny day, Lily went to the park. She played on the swings and watched the clouds in the sky. While she was playing, Lily heard a soft meow. She looked around and saw a tiny kitten under a bench. The kitten was gray with white spots. It looked scared and lost. Lily felt sad for the little kitten. "Don't worry, little friend," she said. "I will help you." Lily knelt down and held out her hand. The kitten sniffed her fingers and then came closer. Lily picked up the kitten gently. It purred softly in her arms. Lily looked for the kitten's owner. She asked people in the park, "Do you know this kitten?" But no one knew. Lily decided to take the kitten home. She named it Whiskers. At home, Lily gave Whiskers food and water. They played together, and soon they were best friends. Lily's mom said they could keep the kitten. Lily was very happy. Every day, Lily and Whiskers had adventures. They explored the garden, chased butterflies, and took long naps in the sun. Whiskers was no longer lost. He had a loving home. From that day, Lily learned that sometimes helping others can bring joy to your heart. And Whiskers found a family that loved him very much. The end.